I am Mohammad Mizarur Rahman, Assistant Teacher English, Gopalpur School and College, Monirampur, Jashore. Subject English first paper, Class 8, Unit 6, going on a foreign trip, Lesson 9, topics, the Thaka floating market. What do you see in this picture? This picture is floating. Yes, all the pictures are floating on the surface of the water. Floating in Bangla, floating, bhashoman. Floating in Bangla, bhashoman. Pictures are floating. What do you see in this picture? Floating. The boats are laden different things, and this is one kind of market. Yes, this is floating market. Today we are going to learn about the Thaka floating market, Unit 6, Lesson 9, page number 75, time 50 minutes. Learning outcome. By the end of this lesson, the learners will be able to look at the pictures and talk about it, read the text and answer the questions, read more about the Thaka river and meet us experience and answer true or false. Read the text further and write the answers to the following questions. What do you see in these pictures? Yes, some boards are decorated different things, and also the same picture here. Now, can you guess what this could be? What this could be? Yes, I guess it could be a floating market. Floating market, Bhashoman Bazar. Where do you think this place is? This place is the Thaka floating market in Bangkok. In Bangkok. Bangkok is the capital of Thailand. Now we learn some vocabulary. Laden. Laden. Laden means every boat decorated with. Laden meaning in English loaded. Make sentence. Their small boats are laden with different things. Chit chat. Chit chat. Try to imagine it. Yes, ideal talk. Make sentence. They are talking by using mobile and telephone. Natives. Yes. Meaning in English, locals. Make sentence. The main buyers are the Thaka natives. Now, read it. I read and you mess your book at home. It was Sunday. Mita, Jara, Juma Islam and Mazharul Islam woke up very early. They quickly got ready and started for the Thaka floating market. They planned to have breakfast at the market. They reached the market at 7 The canals were surrounded with coconut palm trees. They had a boat. The boatmen started to row slowly, taking them to the center of the market. There are boats everywhere. They said the sellers were mainly elderly Thai women. Their small boats were laden with bundles of lotus flowers, palm, fresh coconuts, fruits, vegetables, local food, and delicious sweets. The sellers and buyers rowed their boats slowly. The sellers displayed their goods for sale and the buyers chose their pick. They could have a little chit-chat as buying and selling was going on. Now answer the questions. What kind of market was it? Why did the boatmen row slowly? Who were selling goods? How were they selling their goods? What were they selling? What was the atmosphere at the market? Okay, now you match your answer. What kind of market was it? Yes, it was a floating market. Why did the boatmen row slowly? The boatmen rowed the boat slowly because the goods needed to be seen by the buyers. Who were selling goods? How were they selling their goods? Yes, Nomesh. The Thai elderly women mainly were selling goods. They displayed their goods on the boat to sell. What are they selling? They were selling bundles of lotus flowers, palm fresh coconuts, fruits, vegetables, local food, and delicious sweets. What was the atmosphere at the market? Atmosphere means in Bangla, poribesh. The sellers and buyers were very busy. The local have a little chit-chat as buying and selling was going on. Now read the text again. You match your book at home. The Thakha floating market is more traditional with a few tourists busy than other floating markets. Originally, the Thakha floating market used to sit only 6 or 7 days a month, depending on the phase on the moon. Nowadays, the trade takes place on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays too. The main buyers here are the Thakha natives. People seems to know each other very well. Everyone was seen smiling and calling each other by name. The locals did not notice Mehta and others much. They were all busy buying and selling. Now answer true or false. If false, give the correct information. try to do it. Number one, Thaka floating market is a tourist place. It sees to only 6 or 7 days a month. The buyers and sellers are the local people living near Thaka river. They all knew each other. Okay, now match your answer. The Thaka floating market is a tourist place. Answer, false. Correct answer. The Thaka floating market is a traditional market. It is only 6 or 7 days a month. Yes, it is true. The buyers and sellers are the local people living near Thaka river. Yes, it is also true. They all knew each other. Yes, it is also true. Now, read the text again. The Thaka floating market is more traditional with a few tourists visiting than other floating markets. Originally, the Thaka floating market used to sit only 6 or 7 days a month, depending on the phases on the moon. Nowadays, the trade takes place on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays too. The main buyers here are the Thaka natives. People seems to know each other very well. Everyone was seen smiling and calling each other by name. The locals did not notice Mita and others much. They were all busy buying and selling. Now, let's watch a video. Now, write the answer to the following questions. We have read and watched some video and try to answer these questions. Why is Thaka floating market traditional? How many days week does the market sit? Why do you think people at the floating market know each other so well? Okay, now may I ask your answer? Why is Thaka floating market traditional? Yes, the Thaka floating market is traditional because it used to sit only 6 or 7 days a month, depending on the phases on the moon. How many days a week does the market sit? The market sits there 3 days a week. The days are Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Why do you think people at the floating market know each other so well? I think people at the floating market know each other so well because they were seen smiling and calling each other by name. Besides, they will in the same place. Evaluation. Who were selling goods? Mainly the Thai elderly women were selling goods. What did they hire? They hired a boat. Why were they all busy? Yes. They were all busy buying and selling. Now, homework. You will write a paragraph on Thaka floating market. Bye. Dear student, wait my next video class and subscribe my YouTube channel.